In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an anime-style video using AI tools. To get started, head over to chatopenai.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a chat box where you can interact with ChatGPT 2.0. In this chat box, type out your request clearly. For example, if you're looking to craft a narrative, you might say, write a short anime script about a high school student discovering secret powers. This gives the AI a clear prompt to work from, ensuring you get a detailed and engaging script tailored to your needs. Feel free to let your creativity shine in this step. Be specific or broad, depending on how much direction you want to give the AI. After you've received your script, the next stage involves moving over to Kling, which is an AI video generator. Here, you want to paste the script you just created. When you're placing your script into Kling, make sure you're opting for anime-style visuals, which will bring your story to life in the dynamic and vibrant style that anime is known for. This part of the process is crucial, as it shapes the visual framework for your entire video. So take a moment to explore and select options that best match the tone and mood of your script. Once you've set everything up with Kling, simply download the raw AI-generated video. This raw video acts as your canvas, ready to be refined and polished into your final creation. Now, it's time to move on to VEED.io. Here, upload the video file that you saved from Kling earlier. VEED.io is where you'll add those finishing touches that truly make your video stand out. Start by incorporating subtitles, which not only enhance accessibility but also ensure that your audience can follow along with every piece of dialogue. Additionally, think about adding music that complements the emotional beats of your story, as well as any effects that can further highlight certain moments or convey the desired atmosphere effectively. VEED.io offers a variety of tools, so don't hesitate to experiment until you're satisfied with the result. This editing process transforms your video from good to great, making it polished and professional looking. Finally, when you've completed your edits and your anime video is just how you envisioned it, export the final version. Once exported, you're ready to share your creation with the world. Whether you post it on YouTube, a social media platform, or any other space where your audience resides, you're sure to impress with the seamless blend of AI creativity and your personal touch. Enjoy the process, and I hope you're thrilled with the anime video you've put together.